Oh, I love that film so much, and I can picture the scene as he was singing. That was lush. Well done, buddy. Zoe.
I just don't know what to say. When you were performing, you looked so happy, and I was just like, I was like, oh, I was like, you just looked so happy, and your performance brought me so much. It made me feel happy. I was watching you, and I just couldn't stop smiling. It was lush, and the song choice as well. I really liked it. It was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, it looked like you really enjoyed yourself. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
Yeah, that's good. You've got an old school kind of voice. And it was a good song choice. You do need quite a lot of work, but working with Joey, I think you'll blossom on.
Me and Joey?
Yeah,
really?
This is Joey. If you work with Joey, you will blossom on. But yeah, as long as you enjoyed yourself, that was a great performance. Well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, Joey.
Vivian, like I said, this is probably one of them auditions that people don't expect to see in Town Such Cymru, and I mean that in quite a positive way. People don't expect the elder generation to get involved, and this is open to everyone. That anybody's welcome here, and that's what it's all about. It's about everyone from all different walks of life coming together. So you are welcome here. I will say, right, you definitely can sing. There is a voice there. All right. I think at the moment what we've just seen up there is somebody that's completely unaware of that talent that they have, and unaware of how to present it.
Yeah.
And this is something that if you were going to actually take this serious, there is a few things you have to work on. Firstly, presentation is so important.
Okay.
A nice suit, something smart,
would
suit really, really well with your vocal and how you sing. Pretty much like Rob Crowley's smart suit, that sort of classic feel. That needs to be the first thing. Then presentation, how you present yourself. You're almost like, oh, I'm just in the shower, I'm gonna sing song. That needs to kind of be worked on. You need to work on controlling this mic right instead of coming from it like this. So just be aware that mic's there for you to use, right? So you use that, and remember, we are your audience. So you're performing to us. Do you know what I mean? So you were new to it, so you're not going to know these things, because it is almost like you just come out of your house, just singing in your house. You sent me a couple of your shmool, is it called? The app, that sort of thing. You're singing in your house and that sort of stuff, And you've come into this and you're a bit overwhelmed because it's like, oh my God, I'm actually in a talent competition sort of thing. So I get that, but that will come. But, you know, these little things I'm telling you need to bring these. Okay. If you are successful today, you've got to bring that to the front. So your presentation, how you come across with your song choice, make sure you're using this correct. And I actually would recommend to stick with the more classic-y songs. Okay. So even theatrical maybe, because I'm getting that sort of vibe from your voice. So try it, take all this I'm telling you on board, and if you are successful into the next round, bring it all back there. And then we'll see a difference from this to that. Okay. All right, but other than that, well done, you've done really well. Well done.